This tutorial will show you how to find out which username is your proper username if you already have an existing account with the Colorado Medical Marijuana system. The first thing you'll do is try to log into your system with the existing username and password that you had last year. If you do not know how to do that, we have another tutorial that explains on how to either reset your password or if you've forgotten your username, how to retrieve that information. However, if you go through the process and you keep finding out that when after logging in, there's a status that says that every time you're requesting for patient access to your registration, it's coming up as rejected again and again and again. That means that you already have access to your state system account, however, you're using the improper username. If you don't remember your multiple usernames, go to the Forgot Username tab listed at the bottom of the website and type in your email address. After you've typed that in, you should navigate to your email and check and see what usernames appear. If you see, as I see here, that I have 3 usernames, then what you'll have to do is repeat this process up to 3 times or more if you have more usernames to find out which one is the proper one. And so you have to go through the process of essentially resetting the password for each one if you don't remember them, and keep navigating through that until you find the proper username. So you'll continue doing so again and again and again, as I am doing here with resetting my password, until finally the last one that you'll see, you will find out that you already have a status and an actual registration listed in the tracking inbox of the patient registration. Whenever you see something there, whether it says expired, pending renewal, or pending staff review, whatever the status is, this is your proper account. So make sure to make note of that for next year so that you have the proper username for every year that comes. If you have any other questions, please do give us a call. Our number here is 719-212-8899, or shoot us an email at info@drnatmed.com, and we'll be sure to respond as quickly as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.